You can easily remove distractions and add new elements into your photo in just matter of few clicks. We will look at how to transform entire images and selected areas with the power of a text prompt. Let us start with our first example. Navigate to the Edit photo, then select Magic Edit. Here, you can adjust the brush size to select the area you wish to modify. In our case, we will focus on the tie. Remember, the more precise your highlighting, the better the final result. After outlining the desired area, now comes the most interesting part, describing the changes you want in few words, like a tie should be in red color with small squares. Then hit generate and wait for the magic of Canva AI. There will be 4 options to choose from. Select the one that you like with your vision and finalize it by clicking done. Next, we have feature of clicking the object rather than outlining anything. So let us go to our second example. Here you can see we have bunch of objects. So click on edit image, then go to Magic Edit. Then click on this second option. And as you can see, it will highlight all of the objects in that image. Let's say you want to change the color of your chair or even want to change the whole plant, you can do it. Simply describe whatever you want to add or change. Even you can leverage the power of this Inspire Me button. Alright, feel free to play around with this feature, and as you can see, this feature has immense possibility and immense power to transform your creative assets. So curate your prompts wisely. Alright, I will see you in the next one.